If you're planning to start a business in Michigan, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Michigan even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why form an LLC in Michigan? Well, for one, you have tax flexibility. That means instead of the business being taxed separately, profits are reported directly on the owner's personal tax returns. This helps you avoid double taxation and keeps your tax process simpler. And of course, you have flexible management. You can manage it yourself with a member-managed structure or appoint someone else to handle operations with a manager-managed setup. Now with this, it helps you or anyone for both solo entrepreneurs and growing teams. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to choose the name for your Michigan LLC. Now remember, you need to make sure that your LLC name must be unique and include one of the following: a limited liability company, LLC, or L.C. And you want to make sure that the proposed name is going to be distinguishable from other existing business registered with Michigan. You need to avoid some words like bureau, government, so that you can prevent confusion and legal conflicts. Now, if you have something in mind, all I have to do is very simple. I want you to go to the Michigan Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs, or LARA, and then check the name availability of your desired LLC name. Okay, so if no matching results appear, your name is good to go and it is available. Now, if you want to reserve a name for a small fee, you can do that, provided, especially if you're not ready to file it yet. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Another thing that you need to consider is that every Michigan LLC must have a registered agent. Now, this person, or maybe a company, receives all the legal and government documents. They should have a physical Michigan address. They should be available during normal business hours. And if you wanted to be your own registered agent, you can do that for as long as you meet all the state legal requirements. If you want to appoint someone you trust or an individual, you can do so. But what we suggest is hire or use a professional registered agent service like Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience, because they will handle all of the paperwork for you. The official step that creates your LLC is filing the Articles of Organization. All you have to do is go to the Michigan Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs, or LARA, and you need to provide all these: LLC name, registered agent name and address, business purpose, it can be general, and the management type. It can be a member manage or manager manage. Of course, we suggest you file online, which is going to be the fastest option. You can also do it by mail if you prefer that. The filing fee is $50, and once approved, congratulations, your Michigan LLC is officially formed. Michigan doesn't require an operating agreement, but you should absolutely have one. An operating agreement outlines the ownership percentage, member roles and responsibilities, profit and loss distribution, And of course, what happens if someone leaves the LLC? Because every single member LLCs benefit from this for legal protection. Next is we need to get an EIN or employer identification number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Now that your LLC is officially formed, it's time to handle Michigan's tax and licensing requirements. Now, all I have to do is go to the official website of the Michigan Department of Treasury. Okay, so you need to register your business, and it would only take a few minutes to complete. Now, depending on your what business does, you may need to apply for a specific state tax IDs. For example, if you are selling maybe a taxable products, you'll need a sales tax license. Or maybe if you plan to hire employees, you'll need an employee withholding tax account. But do not forget about local requirements because some cities or counties in Michigan may require additional business licenses or permits, so be sure to check with your local government to stay fully compliant. Now that your LLC is officially formed, this part is extremely important, so don't skip it. Number one is the official communication. If you receive an unexpected request asking for payment details or personal information, that's a major red flag. And of course, you need to know the real fees. These are almost always fraudulent solicitations designed to scare you into paying. And of course, you need to verify the source. Before submitting any filings or sending money, take a moment to verify where the information came from. Okay? Because knowing all of these, all right, taking a few extra minutes can save you from losing money and compromising your business information. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution, like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent, because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including Michigan. Now, the good news is if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple, and let's begin with the Order tab. This is essentially the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service you selected, which is LLC formation, and the state where you are forming your LLC, and the total cost before payment. So think of this as your checkout overview. The company section collects the basic details about your business. It includes the LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of any legal notices to your attorney, and of course the business purpose plus the business address. Now, this information is used to officially create your LLC with the state. The management section is how you define your LLC. You can choose from a member manage, which means owners like you runs the business, or a manager manage, which means a manager runs the business for you. Now, if you're not sure what to choose from the management type, click the question mark icon, because this helps you determine who has authority to make decisions for the LLC. Now, if you want to add a name of any members or managers, you can do so. Don't worry, because Northwest keeps this private information. And then these are added services if you wanted. For example, they offer the tax ID, S Corporation, premium mail service, and the service state. If Michigan is available, choose that here. If you want to do it all by yourself, it's okay, and you can safely skip all these. Now, the account section is where you use to provide some information here. Provide your email address, set a password, confirm login details, because once you created your Northwest online dashboard, you can now access the state documents, receive compliance alerts, and of course, view scanned mail and legal notices. Now, the last section is going to be the payment tab, where you complete your order. It includes the contact information, of course, the credit or debit card details, and the final confirmation before submission. And you can also review the total cost, because once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And basically, that's it on how to register an LLC in Michigan, which is a smart move for entrepreneurs who want strong liability protection, flexible taxation, and a straightforward online filing process. Michigan's business-friendly environment makes it super easy to get up and running, whether you're starting a side hustle or scaling a full-time business. For as long as you stay on top of annual filings and keep your records organized, a Michigan LLC gives you a solid legal foundation to grow and protect your business. Take the leap, do it right from the start, and set yourself up for long-term success. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.